점 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Widori from class 11 TKJ1. The topic we will be discussing this time is a presentation on the VLAN module. Alright, on this occasion I will discuss VLAN. So what is a VLAN? VLAN, Virtual Local Area Network, is a technique for dividing a single physical switch into multiple separate logical networks, such that VLAN allow administrators to segment the network based on factors such as function, theme, or application results of the physical location of user or device. Now let's use an analogy. For example, in a company, we have the divisions or departments, NOC, administration, and programmers. Each of these three divisions certainly has different needs, whether in bandwidth, security, or other requirements. So, the function of the switch here is to segment. There are one for the NOC network, one for administration, and one for programmers. Why do we need to dive or manage it like this? Because a switch or VLAN itself serves two main functions. First, management, and second, broadcast control. As we know, every division has different security and operational needs. Now, let's consider another scenario. What if we only need, say, 3 ports or computers in NIC, 5 computer in administration, and 2 computers for programmers? A physical switch usually consists of 12 to 34 ports, depending on the type and brand. If we were to place a separate physical switch in each location, one for NOC, one for admin, and one for programmers, there would be a lot of unused ports. We would be utilizing the switches effectively, making port allocation very inefficient and wasteful. In a situation like this, a single switch can be divided into 3 networks. How? By using VLANs. So, even though we basically see only one switch, logically we have split it into this part. Networks. The key takeaway is that the switch is used to manage a network. Next is the broadcast function. Broadcast essentially means broadcasting or sending out data. On a standard, you manage switch when a fact is sent, it gets broadcast to all connected computers or client. For instance, if a programmer just wants to send data to another computer within their own department, a standard switch broadcasts it to everyone instead. What happened that a high influx of unnecessary packets create network coincidence, making it inefficient and causing latency or lag. This is where VLAN come in. A VLAN creates its own isolated broadcast domains. So if we have an IC on VLAN 10, how many broadcast domains does it have? Just one. Admin has one, and programmers have one. This creates the distance broadcast domains where messages are sent only within the same VLAN. If someone in admins want to send a message to another admin user, it stays focused within its own local VLAN, its virtual local area network. The message stays right there and it's broadcast to all the other clients. As I mentioned earlier, the primary function of a VLAN is network management, which covers a lot of scenarios. For example, an IC might require very high bandwidth because they handle network operation and monitoring. We can allot higher bandwidth to an IC while keeping admin and programmers at standard level managed through VLAN. What if we want to prevent the admin department from communicating with an IC, or stop programmers from sending messages to admin to keep employees' data secure? Can we do that? Absolutely. Using VLAN, whether through for security or other network security protocol, that the current secure main function. Next, there is a theory about the dynamic trunking protocol. Dynamic trunking protocol (DTP) functions to dynamically determine whether a port operates as a trunking port or an access port. Dynamic trunking protocol is a Cisco proprietary protocol, meaning it exists only one Cisco device, so you will not find DTP on non-Cisco switch. By default, DTP is enabled on Cisco switch ports and configured to dynamic auto mode. You can verify this using the show interface command. That's all my presentation about VLAN. I apologize if there are any wrong words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.